Alright. Ooh. This is the highest of macaw.
This is better.
Hello, handsome. Hello. That's it, you finished one? That was cool. He came when I called him. How beautiful he is. Are you coming to say hello to Alex? Here, Alex. He's up there. Look, baby. He's nice and blue. See, Mommy, he's the blue one. He's got nice yellow eyeballs, too. Hello. I think Jen's going to give him a kiss. Oh, he's sweet. Hi, handsome. Hey. Are you gonna fly again? I wonder he doesn't break through the bars. What? Show off. Fine, he's trying to get out. Thought it was just in the apple, obviously. Oh, we ran out of nuts. Hey. It's cool, he just wants to hang and get some attention. What's that ball on Alex? What is it, pumpkin? Oh, he's trying to get her attention. Alex, can you see the bird? He's checking you out, sunshine. He's like, who's that beauty? There she is. There she is. Yeah, he is totally checking her out. I think you should squawk. You might get her attention. Are you finally going to look at him? He's really beautiful. He's got all those blue feathers on him. All different colors. Some are like purple too. Oh. Is she looking at him yet? Jen? It's going to break your finger.